morning. Decided to show you one of my biggest challenge every single day. It's actually I'm trying to upload the video, and that's the hardest thing here in Bali because internet is really unstable. And so yeah, at home sometimes it's really bad signal, and finally I'm not able to upload videos. So I came here early morning before I'm going for the next other stuff to do today, and trying to upload now. Looks optimistic, 48% done, so I'm pretty sure by 9 o'clock it will be uploaded. See you later.
Stay up until the morning light, oh. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On my feet, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, oh. The morning light, oh. I just wanna be your Superman. Just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for the kryptonite. So come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, we're dancing. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light, oh.
This morning I did a trip to Singaraja to visit immigration. Immigration is like a kind of usual stuff for any of us. When I was instructor, I came to this place every 6 months. Now when I have a company here, then I have a, what is it, like a company kitas, and then it's once in 2 years. So two years is over. So now I came back again. When you're living abroad, immigration is like an annual checkup. So if you will forget, okay, you can live for a while, but then that's the thing. One of the most important things is to remember to renew your visa. I don't know, set on your phone the alarm or something else, but that's one of the things what usually happens. If we compare, I've been dealing basically with two immigrations, Philippines and Indonesia. If we're comparing these two immigrations, probably I like more Indonesian because it's a way easier than with a Filipino. Because here all the paperwork is done by agents. You can do it on your own as well. It will be a way cheaper, but for me it's a hassle, and I don't want to waste the time to go to immigration 3-4 times. Like now when there is this pandemic time, a lot of people decided to do on their own. Fine, they have plenty of time. I have a good agent, and he always been really correct, and everything been always on a time. Like for example, to make a working visa here, it takes probably maybe 1 or 2 weeks to get everything ready, and all you do is just to give a passport to the agent. While in the Philippines it can take months. I remember when Laura made the visa in Philippines, she applied in September and she actually got the visa only in December. So waiting. So it means if you're applying for the working visa, the reason why you are in this country, you want to work, and you're this unique person who can do the job what others cannot do. Like priority is always the locals, and I absolutely respect it, and it's correct. But if we speaking some specific languages and we doing a job, I would like to work as soon as possible. Well, in the Philippines, when you're applying for the working visa, that was G9 or something like that, I think that was G9, then this period you have to extend your tourism visa, and of course you cannot work. Here, yeah, you get a visa really fast and then you can work. It's not really actual at the moment because we don't have any job anyways, but that's the one of the reasons how we can stay legally in this country. So good job on immigration. This morning I went to immigration and it took me probably 4-5 minutes to get everything done. I just gave my fingerprints and took the photo and signed. That really took me 5 minutes and there was no line. Everything is well organized. It's like, sounds like it's an advertisement or an immigration. A lot of people don't like immigration. I'm actually happy with the immigration of Indonesia just because it's so comfortable for me. Another thing about Indonesia immigration is I'm a visa holder, I'm a working visa holder, and of course I don't want this unneeded competition with someone who's working in country illegally, and immigration is doing everything to prevent it. Something immigration should think about, that I'm already in their system and go and waste like half of the day to go to Singaraja and then go back because it's 80 kilometers or even more, around 90 kilometers to Singaraja from Amed. And I've been doing it so many times, so maybe if I'm already, my fingerprints is not changed, if I'm already in a system, so why to go there again? So everything can be done electronic, but I think that's something what they working on. Another good thing is that previously to get a working visa you had to apply it somewhere outside Indonesia. Now because of pandemic and because we cannot really travel easily or freely travel, so then all the things is done here. So we're saving a lot of money on these tickets and wasting of time going to Singapore, Bangkok, Malaysia, wherever anyone went for this visa. That's great. Supermarket. I haven't been in a supermarket for a really long time. In Amed we don't have any, but sometimes when you come here then it's like a kind of a little bit cheaper. Like if I'm looking at a coffee, for example, this one in Amed costs 46, here it's 32, so probably I will buy some coffee. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.